Hi, Questers. Today we are stepping into our stateroom on Royal Caribbean's Star of the Seas. This isn't just any room, it's our home base for the journey, and I'll show you every detail so you know exactly what to expect. Stay to the end so you can see how I decorated our cabin door. We were in room 270 on deck 14. As soon as you walk into the entrance, the bathroom is immediately to your left. On the Icon class ships, you have a lot more space and storage. So in the bathroom here, you have more shelves and also a drawer. I know the shower looks small, but Chris is 5'11" and he fits in there just fine. But even if you're a little over 6 feet tall, you'll be okay as well. Notice that inside the shower, you'll find hooks to hang your towels. I had to get used to that because I'm used to hanging my towels outside of the shower. But I suppose if you bring magnetic hooks, you can always use one of those to hang your towel, like right above the toilet there. Right outside of the bathroom is your control panel for the thermostat and lights. Here I am just testing out the various options. You can control whether you want the lights on for morning, evening, movie, or sleep. As you can see here, I am showing you how it looks. So evening is going to set your lights to a low light. Movie has the lights on around the TV. That's kind of cool. The bedside lamps and the bar above the bed. Morning is where you'll have everything on in the room and it's at its brightest. I actually forgot to record sleep for you, so I apologize for that. Now we get to the bedroom. We sailed on the inaugural cruise in late August 2025. So when we first got to our room, we had hats and an entertainment booklet. We actually got swag every day on the cruise. So that was kind of cool. Next to the bed, you have a light switch on either side, but here's where it doesn't quite make sense. On one side, you have an American outlet and a USB-A port, but on the other side, you only have a USB-A port. We thought that was a little strange. Why not have the same thing on both sides? Here is the closet and storage area. There are 4 cubby holes with wire baskets. We've heard a lot of people don't like the baskets, and I think they would just prefer them to be drawers. We didn't mind them. We ended up using them to put our daily swag and shoes. The closet is broken up into 2 separate parts. Since I had dresses, I took the left side because it's longer, and Chris took the right side. There are plenty of hangers, but if you do need additional hangers, just ask your room attendant. We both hung up a majority of our clothes. That way it's less time you have to pull your suitcase from under the bed. Sidebar here. Do you see this protrusion within the closet? It was so annoying at first, we didn't know what it was. After some hours, we finally figured out that it is the room safe. However, we already filmed the room by this point and forgot to go back and film that part. But anyway, there's a mirror to the left. If you open it, then you'll find more shelves along with the room safe inside the mirror. So don't forget that. Here are some more shelves by the TV. We use these for things like our room keys, our refreshment package cups, lotion, sanitizer, things like that. Also within these shelves, there are 2 USB-A ports here for additional charging. As we move into the living and seating area, you have a desk dresser with a mini fridge and some drawers. Here is a quick peek at the refrigerator. It's not a whole lot of room, but we usually put our water bottles in there. In this drawer, there is a breakfast menu for room service. Let's say you want breakfast sent to your room. All you have to do is fill out this form and hang it on the outside of your door by 3 a.m. and someone will collect them. Here is the room service menu as well. There is also a fee for room service. In this drawer, they've provided us with a hairdryer and a box of tissues. You have light switches on the desk, 1 European outlet, 1 American outlet, 1 USB-A port charger, and 1 USB-C port charger. We have the day 1 cruise compass, the show schedule for our duration, as well as a pamphlet about the Crown and Anchor Society. Here's the couch or sofa. I want to show you that underneath the bed, you have plenty of space to store your luggage. Now we come to everybody's favorite part of the cabin, the balcony. You get 2 chairs with footrests and a small table. I absolutely love having a few meals out here, especially breakfast where you can come out here with your tea or coffee and enjoy the view. Pro tip: if you are traveling with friends or family and have connecting cabins, ask your cabin attendant to open the balcony partitions. We did it on our last cruise and loved it. We were just walking back and forth between our cabins along the balcony. Okay, I know you've waited long enough, so I will show you how I decorated our door for our inaugural cruise. Were you on the inaugural cruise in August of 2025? What did you like best about it? Us, it was definitely the daily swag. Thanks for watching and follow Quest Accepted for more travel and cruise content.